Hello, in the last lesson, I showed you how to add lessons and modules to your courses. In this lesson, I'll show you how to add chapters to your lessons. So it's really simple. Go into your courses down here at the bottom and then go to your academy, select your academy. And then we need to select a cohort. We're going with the home buying January 1st cohort. And we are going into the Home Buying 101 course that is within that cohort. And then we are going to the Module 1, Home Buying Search Option module. And as you can see, you now can see the chapter button, which is a text button located on the left-hand side of this lesson. And you can kind of think of chapters as a way to spell out the lesson, or it's kind of like additional notes that you want to add to the lesson to help people understand a little bit more about that lesson. Okay, so it is not necessary for you to add chapters, but I just want to show you how to do it just in case you want to add chapters and give your users, members, or clients or students additional information about that lesson. Okay, so let's go ahead and click the chapter button. It takes us into the chapter screen where we can see our Ask ChatGPT button, which will direct us to the ChatGPT website to give us more chapter ideas. But in this case, I want to add a couple chapters to this lesson for internet searching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click Add Chapter. And the chapter that I want to add for internet searching is Zillow. Okay, and Zillow can be chapter number 1. And then I can create some text surrounding Zillow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I am going to use ChatGPT. Give me a list of characteristics for Zillow.com. So what I want to do is I feel like I want to kind of copy half of this. So let's just say I'll copy the first 4. Okay. The first 4 elements. Let me go back to my app and I'll put that text right here. So now if I create this chapter, it has a chapter 1. Okay. So now I have 3 chapters. I want to add another chapter here. And I want it to be realtor. Okay. And now I'm going to ask ChatGPT, give me characteristics for realtor.com. Put these in a short paragraph. Okay, it's not going to give it to me until I complete my search. So here we go. It is giving it to me all of these elements in a paragraph form. Okay, so let me go ahead and add this to my app. Okay, so this was chapter 1. And then I'm going to put my text here. And then boom, there we go. So we have 4 chapters here. Now, I'm not going to look within the, we're still on the admin side. I'm going to go back over to the member side so you can see what this looks like, okay? Let's see here. I'm under Heaven as admin. Let me go ahead and add myself to the Home Buying January 1st cohort so that I can see all the lessons that will be over there on the member side. Because if I'm a member, I should be able to see all the lessons that I purchase or all the courses that I purchase. And there's a way to manually add people because you see that I just did it. I'm going to go into the Learn tab and I'm going to go to the courses that I'm a part of, which is the home buying course, and I'm going to look at the modules. Okay, so I added all my stuff. Now, as a client, I can see that this has lesson chapters. Okay, so there are 4: chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and chapter 4, which is Realtor.com. So if I click the first chapter, here we go. It has all the elements for Zillow page 1. So this is within the internet searching lesson. And I just want to add additional content for my clients to be able to see that help illustrate what my lesson is about. And so there we go. We've added them. And now we know how to add chapters to our lessons.